Hello, I am Ms. Vibha from Maa Kalyanika Public School, Pendra Road, Chhattisgarh. In this video, I am going to teach you class 3rd Maths, chapter number 2 and exercise 2.2 because already 2.1 we have done in previous video. So students, in exercise 2.2, question number A is there and question number B. Only 2 questions are there. So few questions I'll solve for you here, and related to this, by relating it to the other questions, you can solve the rest. I'll make it easy for you. So see here, add by regrouping. Students, you have learned in previous class about add. Add means addition. Addition, you can add the numbers, but if some terms are coming in front of you like regrouping, you are getting somewhat confused. But not to worry, regrouping means only carry will be there. If one line you are writing in the numbers in column and one by one you are adding from this side, means from the right side to the left side, what is happening? Some numbers are bigger, like 1 and 1 you are getting 2. But if I am telling 6 plus 5, you are getting 11. 11 means 1 will be carried and 1 will be written downwards. So students, see, this is only called the regrouping, means you are putting in carry and moving to the next word for addition. So this only you have to do in this regrouping. So not to worry. I hope you have understood this now. So add by regrouping. Question number 1 I will solve for you, 5 and 9. Rest will be same as it is, so you can solve it. So see here, 268, 425. These are the two numbers. So 8 plus 5. What is 8 plus 5? So student, 8 is the bigger number. 5 we can take in hand. Now count forward. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13 is coming. So 1 will be here and 3 will be here. 1, 3, 13. This is only called regrouping, students. Okay. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 1, 3, 13. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 8 and 9. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. Like this also you can solve. Now here, no carry is there. So not to write 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. You can add. So we have got the answer number 1 as 693. So students, moving not to the question number 2 or question number 3, I am moving directly to question number 5. Because after relating this, you can solve the rest of the question. So fifth one. So 898. See here, plus 528. So 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 1, 6. Students, be careful in writing the carry. Not 6, 1. 1, 6. No. 1 here and 6 here. 6 in the 1's place and 1 in the 10th place. Okay. Now 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Now 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, count it. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Why? Because 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is coming. We will not write here 14. No, it is wrong. 1 here and 4 here. Why we are not writing 1 here close to it? Because it will move to the next place, and next place no number is there. So simply you have to write by putting the space in between so that it should be clear to you also. Okay. So 1426 is your answer number 5. Now moving to question number 9. Question is 212, 324, 153. Students, now not to worry that instead of 2 numbers, 3 numbers are there. Simply you have to add in column. Yes. 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3, 6. 7, 8, 9. Forward counting. Okay, remember forward counting. 9. 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. 5 and 3, 5. 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. Now students, I hope add by regrouping this question is understood to you. So in this way you can solve rest of the questions, students. I hope you can. Okay. So see, rest you can solve. Exercise 2.2 question number A. Rest you will solve by yourself. Now write in column and add. Write in column. So students, you have to write in column, and here the questions were already present in column. This is called the column. Arranging period wise, the given number is called arranging in column. So write in column. Simply it is given in horizontal form, 172 plus 721. So you have to arrange in columns. So 172 you will write separately, plus what? 721. This is also 3 digit, right from the back. 1, 2 and 7. Sometimes what happens, students? This is 3 digit number, this may be 4 digit number. So you are confused where to write. So first, after writing the first number, in addition, any number you are writing, either you can write this number or you can write this number. You can change the order also. So if you are writing any number first, second number should be written from the right side so that it will be convenient for you and you will not do any mistake in writing it. So calculation will also be correct. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 7 plus 2, 9, 7 plus 1, 8. So 893 is the answer, students. Okay. So now question number 4. Again not 2 and 3, 2 and 3 you can solve. Now fourth one I am solving. 333. You can write this number also first. The answer will be same. As I had told you the rule of addition, you can change the order of your numbers. Means 784 plus 333, the answer will be same as 333 plus 784. 333 plus 784. So 4, 8 and 7 we have to add by writing in column. 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4. Sorry, 3 plus 4 is 7. 8 plus 3, 8. 9, 10, 11. 1, 1, 11. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, 8, 9, 10 and 1 carry is there, 11, 1, 1, 11. So answer is 1117 of question number B4. Okay, now I am showing you the 3 digit number addition, how to write in column. 7th question, 400 plus, second number is 712. So 1, 7. Now third question is this also you have to add 2 means 112. So 2, 1, 1. So simply in this way you can write in column, and if you are writing single plus then also it is okay. So see students, 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 0, 4. Then 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0, 2, because when 0 is added to any number, the rule is the answer is same number. Okay, 0 means nothing. So 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 0 is 2, not 0. Okay, 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 4 we are adding, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. So 1, 2, 12. So in this way you can write the answer 1224. So students, I hope you have understood the calculation of addition by regrouping and how to write in column and add. This also you have understood. So students, in exercise 2.2 we have learned how to add by regrouping, and question number B we have learned how to add by arranging in column. So in this way you have completed exercise 2.2. So students, you have to solve exercise 2.2 completely. Okay. So these are the some examples which I had solved for you. It will be very easy and convenient for you to solve rest of the questions. Thank you for watching.